Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So now it's time for us to work on deleting, all right? And for deletion, it's gonna be super simple. Let's go back to edit.html. And guys, by the way, for those of you that are brand new, we're working on deleting this part here, notes. We already have the ability to create notes. We're gonna add the ability to delete notes, all right? Not from here, but from here somewhere, when the note is actually created. Let me just choose one that actually has one. And you can see the little delete button right here. All right, we're gonna take care of that in a minute. So let's go here and make sure that we have a Jinja helping us here to make sure that if we move this form anywhere, it still works, okay? Because we don't want static paths here or static URLs. So URL 4, and what I wanna do here is I'm going to, actually this is going to delete the note. So we have not created that route, and this is going to say delete note, all right? And we got to pass in the note ID. So note underscore ID is going to be equal to n.id, just like that, okay? One thing that I want to put in there is this hidden input that we got somewhere right here, all right? So that way we protect against cross-site request forgery. So let's go down here, and right before the delete button inside the form tag, I'm gonna paste that in there as well. Boom. Now we're ready to create this function. So let's go back into our routes, and right below the other one that we have for nodes, for adding a node, we're gonna have the delete, okay? So yeah, let's go ahead and create a decorator here. Let me actually copy this guy down, and I need some stuff from it. Actually, yeah, it's gonna be a note, so we gotta go into the notes. So this one here is gonna say delete note, all right? We gotta change this a little bit, well, a lot. This is gonna be notes. We're gonna get the note ID, and this one is gonna be delete, just like that. Note ID. All right, we made those changes. Now let's go ahead and play with this. So we'll get the note, we'll bring it in. So let's go ahead and get it, or 4, and we're gonna say note ID. That's what we need there. Perfect. Once we have the note, we also have to collect the contact ID. We have to get that, right? So contact ID comes from the foreign key, right? So contact, note that contact ID. Perfect. And now here, we'll grab the session and we'll say delete, and we'll pass in the note. So it's gonna delete that note, okay? Now you might be wondering, why do I need the contact ID? Well, the contact ID, we're just gonna use it as a visual thing, all right? It's nothing big. Let's do DB session, and let's make sure we commit this so that way we finish deleting this stuff. All right, let's do flash, and we're gonna say note removed, just like that. And let's just put success here, and let's return a redirect. Let's just use this as a template. All right, and yeah, boom. All right, let's double check this. We get the note right here, right? We got it right here. We got the contact ID. As a matter of fact, we could say, we can do F string here and actually do this here. And we can say note I was gonna do show the contact ID here, but when we're flashing, I mean, it's up to you if you want to do it. You can. Let's actually do it so that way you can see it. But you can't put this stuff in here if you want. Note remove, And let's just put the note ID here, just like that. From contact. All right. Let's see. Let's refresh here. Aaron is a cool guy. We got 2 of those that are actually the same. And let's just delete this. And you can see it says note remove 1 from 593. All right, so you can put a little bit more information. Note remove from note with note ID. Just like that. And this is just, you know, a little contact ID. All right. Let's just put this one here, node ID and contact ID. All right. And we can go ahead and delete the other one with node ID number 2 and contact ID 593. All right. You do whatever you need to do, but we got it done here. So really good job, guys. For those of you that are, you know, playing around with this, very nice. All right. Go ahead and delete it. And there you go. Perfect. I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to give me a like for some of these things here if you liked it, so that way I know and I create more lectures like it. I'll see you guys on the next one.